Guys, what's up? So today I've got an Hollyland mic. This is the M2 version. Have a look at this. So this is basically going to be used for iPhone or any actually C-type device you're using. So I'll be using this on the DJI, which I'm using right now, the Pocket 3. I'm going to be connecting it to that. Right now you're hearing my voice is directly from the DJI camera. Let's see how this really looks, and let's connect this to the DJI Pocket 3 and see how it really sounds. So I got this from the Amazon sale right now going on. So you see the box, all the sides, you already saw how this really looks. Let's not waste time and see what's the content inside. There he goes. So you guys have the seal in the back. You're going to snap that open. So this is like this. Some paperwork. It's the sleeve. This is how it looks. What do you got inside? Let's check the content out. This is the after sale card. There you go. There are some stickers to customize your device, your mic, to make it look different. And if you don't like showing anything, this is what you'll use. You black it or you white it out. These guys are really great, they make the device look really unique. And this is the package list. What you receive, that's the device itself. It's quite small, guys. We'll see that later. There is some more packaging, more stuff down. Also there is a pouch inside. Unbelievable. Okay, here you go. So in the pouch you will be getting, I think that's the wind muffs. Okay, let me open and check this because I will be using this quite a bit. Here you go, guys. There are two of this. At the moment there's one. I think there'll be one more inside. This basically blocks the wind. It's the same thing. And we got some more things. Let's check what is this. Wow, okay, this looks so good. This is basically, you wear this in the neck. There are two of them each, so it's basically two mics inside. Here you go. This is how it looks. You wear this in your neck, you will never know you're wearing a mic actually. They got magnets in this, guys. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So let's see what else is inside. We have a USB-C type charger to an A type. What is this? Not sure. Let's check this out. So this is the magnetic clips. Basically put it inside a t-shirt. You snap the mic over it. Again, nobody will know. I think that's how it works. Actually, it's the clip on it. So it could be probably just been put on a t-shirt. We'll figure this out. Again, you get two. So that's all in the package, guys, nothing more. So here the small looking devices. Wow, it looks like I'm unboxing a cheap Apple, of course, but okay, let's check this out. See the logo, guys. It is so nice. That's the front. The side is empty. Back is the C-type charging port. This is nothing in the back. And you have the first look, guys. Here we go, how it looks. I can see some lights here. So wow, that's, whoa, this is really small, guys. So there's these small blue tabs you'll have to remove before using it. I think it's to charge it. Even this side it is. How small this is. So this is the mic, guys. This is the magnet, and it's strong. It's really strong, guys. So this goes behind your t-shirt, and this is front right here. This is how it looked. It looks amazing. Let's take this out. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is how it is. Let's on this right now and let's see how that looks. Before on this, guys, first take the receiver out. So this is the receiver, guys. It's a C-type which gets plugged into your phone or any device that supports C-type here. That's the logo. That's the down part, and there is a little C type again here, I think, to connect something else. Not sure about that. So actually right now you're hearing me from the DJI Pocket 3. The next voice you would hear right now would be from this mic. Let's check this out. So right now I've connected this to the back of the DJI Pocket 3. Here is the mic. So let me on this. So this is the on button. Let's put it on. That's the blue light. It's flickering. Let me check if it is doing something. All right, so you can see there's a green color light showing. That's the mic actually picking up my voice. It's not on record mode right now, but you can see that it's recording it for sure. So let's on this. So guys, this is right now recording my voice from this. I'm going to keep this right next to my chest here. You can see that there. So right now I'm recording via my iPhone Pro Max 15, and you can hear the voice right now coming from the DJI. So I wonder how that sounds. Let me know in the comments, guys. And I'll be now recording straight from the DJI camera. So right now I'm recording this via this camera, and I've pressed this button again and it's become green. That means it's basically cutting off the background sound. I don't think there's going to be any background sound right now in my house, but yeah, let me put this up and let's see how that sticks. Okay guys, so right now you can see the camera right onto my t-shirt. I have one more camera. This is for two, so I'm not opening that right now, but it's damn cute. You're just gonna tell me how this is actually sounding in the comments. Is it sounding any better than what it was recording on the DJI Pocket 3? So at the moment, guys, this was just the unboxing, and I showed you how it feels, how it sounds. Yes, you can use one of these necklaces to basically wear it around you, and this is basically a clip, guys. Basically just clip it onto your t-shirt and you stick it on that. The magnet feels really strong. It's not going anywhere, that's for sure, guys. I hope you like the video, guys. Please send some super thanks if you like my video, you like my content, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, sayonara, guys. Bye.